Have you ever wondered what it truly means to live forever? In ancient mythology, there lies the tragic tale of Tithonus. He was a handsome mortal, loved fiercely by the dawn goddess Eos. In her passion, she begged Zeus to grant Tithonus eternal life. She thought, what greater gift could I offer my beloved? But the gods, in their wisdom, saw the flaw in her request. Tithonus was granted immortality but not eternal youth. Thus, he began to age while his beloved Eos remained untouched by time. As the years turned into centuries, Tithonus withered away, a shadow of his former self, while Eos rose each morning in her radiant glory. Heartbroken, she watched as her once vibrant lover became frail and feeble, his once bright eyes dimming with despair. In her desperation, she transformed him into a cicada, a creature that would sing for eternity yet never know peace or rest. Tithonus' story is a haunting reminder of the duality of wishes. To seek eternal life may come at the cost of losing the essence of living. As you ponder this tale, consider what you would choose: to live forever, burdened by the weight of time, or to cherish each fleeting moment of youth, embracing the beauty of mortality.